Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to check travel guidelines for Dubai. So I'll be taking you to Emirates website. Okay, so Emirates website, which is the best way to check the travel guidelines for Dubai. So once you click on the Emirates website, here you need to scroll down a little bit. So here you will see visit our COVID-19 hub for the current destinations. So once you click here, you will get to see the COVID-19 information by hubs. So here they have clearly mentioned our current network and services, the travel requirement for Dubai, travel requirement by destinations, and the travel safety during COVID-19. So likewise they have given the multi-risk travel insurance, your tickets, and here if you want to check the travel requirement for Dubai, so you need to click here on the travel requirement for Dubai. So once you click here, a new page will open, travel requirement for Dubai. So they have given the clear information, check the latest COVID-19 travel and testing requirements for Dubai, including advice for Dubai resident, tourists and connecting passengers. So if you're traveling to Dubai, you need to click here, that is tourists traveling to Dubai, from Dubai and through Dubai. Click here onto the read more. So once you click here, a new page will open. Here you will get to see a tourist traveling to Dubai. So these are the guidelines which needs to be followed. Here you see a requirement for all passengers arriving in Dubai. So they have clearly mentioned. So they have mentioned all passengers arriving to Dubai from any point of origin, GCC countries included, must hold a negative PCR test certificate for a test taken no more than 72 hours before departure. So here they have mentioned UAE nationals are exempted. So they have clearly mentioned what are the guidelines which you need to follow. Okay, and they have, see, children under the age of 12 and passengers who have a moderate or severe disability are exempt from COVID-19 test. Third point is passengers arriving into Dubai from the below countries will be required to take another COVID-19 test on arrival at Dubai International Airport. Please read this point again. The passengers arriving into Dubai from the below countries. So below countries, if you're traveling from India, please see they have clearly mentioned here it is India. Okay, so you will have to do a test on arrival at Dubai International Airport. So please follow the guidelines. Please read each and every points which they have mentioned. They have also mentioned the test exemptions. The COVID-19 test laboratories, the UAE government has a specified designated laboratories. So when you arrive, in Dubai, okay, they have mentioned here you may need to take another COVID-19 test on arrival. If you take a test at the airport, you must remain in your hotel or residence until you receive the test result. If the test result is positive, you will be required to undergo isolation and follow the Dubai Health Authority guidelines. You must download the COVID-19 and Dubai Smart app, iOS and Android. So these are the guidelines, okay, for traveling to Dubai for tourists. And if you're just departing from Dubai, so these are the below guidelines, and just scroll down. And if you're transiting from Dubai, okay, traveling from Dubai, so these are the guidelines which needs to be followed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.